Hi everyone, so I want to show you guys how I do my blowout and my braid out. So what I use so far is just extra virgin olive oil, and my leave-in is shea. The heat I'm using is not that hot. It is like medium low. I'm not using any protective spray because apparently this has a little bit of protection, so I'm not using any protective spray. I already oiled up my hair, so if you want to see how the rest of this look, just stay tuned. I want to speed it up so you guys can see. So I have this up side. This side's already done, so I split this in half, and then I did 2 on this side and then 3 on this side, and then I broke this in half from here to here, and then I did 3 on this side in the back. So now I'm going to just do the remaining piece. Break it in half, like that. My mirror is right there, so that's what I'm looking at sometimes.
You take me to places I've never been. You do things that make me a better man. And bus stops, they turn into hours spent rambling on. One look and you got the best of me. 4 feet take us where we wanna be. 3 words that would be the death of me. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind.
Next, I'm gonna trim these ends, because look at them. They're not really good looking, they're nasty. So what I'm doing is just combing it. I'm gonna twist my hair.
My mind won't forget nights.
Okay, see right here where it gets all thin? I'm gonna cut right about there. So twist it a little more. I'm gonna cut it off.
I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again. Falling, I'm falling before I go again. We talk late at night like we're Letterman. We're deeper right now than I've ever been. Overthinking this would be irrelevant. Chances are we'll end.
And then I take the ends and I twist it. So braid it to the end, twist.
In a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide.
So I'm gonna do 2 more, and then we're done.
Oh no, it's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again. Falling, I'm falling before I go again. Falling, I'm falling before I go again.
Look at these. When I first started this channel, I had no gray hairs up here. Look at all these gray hairs. Look what years of stress and getting old does. I guess each gray hair is a blessing, right?
Won't
And living
forget
life.
nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again.
She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I. I know it's wrong to.
So that's all of them. They're all done. Here's what the back looks like. This is how long. Right here. So I have a total of 1, 2, 10, 11. A total of 11 braids. I'm going to leave these in for a while so that way they can set. I will put my bonnet on. I'll show you guys what I am going to look like for the day. So, because I'm going to just have my day, I'm going to just put my bonnet on. It's purple. I lost my black one, so I have my loose purple bonnet. And my slouchy beanie. And that's how I'm gonna have my hair today. Slouchy beanie, braids. I'm gonna throw on a little makeup. I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't look that much different, but I threw on a little makeup in my eyes and my face. This is how much hair I lost. I did trim my ends from the comb out. So if I squish it all together, compact it, it's not as much looking. But this is how much hair I lost. So with that, guys, I'll see you when I take these all down. Good morning. So today is the next day. I'm just going to take my hair down. I am going to use some extra virgin olive oil to moisture my hair to help with the slippage. So let me get that process started. And I did stretch it out with some headbands, stretched.
You seem to think that you'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me. I want like me. She makes you smile, she makes you laugh, she makes you happy in ways I never have. I try to hate you, find faults or crimes, but your only fault is that you're no longer mine. And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that you'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me.
Now you can leave your hair like this, pin it back, or you can take it down like I'm going to do. Okay, so now my hair is taken all down. This is what the back looks like. Gotta get rid of this line right here, so I'm gonna just fluff it. So apparently this side part right here like this is out of style. according to TikTok. So middle part's in. But this is how my hair is looking. It is soft, it's fluffy. I'm not gonna separate it anymore because I don't think it needs to be. But I am a fan of a side part. So I am gonna just blend it in for my side part. And that's how it turns out. My hair is very long, it looks so nice. This is a length check for you guys right now. You can see it. It's my hair. And this is the side. It goes right back up right here. The other side goes about the same. It's a little bit longer. Gotta trim it better. The front, I have still have some postpartum regrowth, so it's not that long, but that's how it looks. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.